whole park like that.
No, you could not.
Yes, we could.
I couldn't.
Okay, well then go do it.
Train transfer.
What was that?
That was kind of crazy. So that's the first everyone in line doesn't believe your work.
That's the non-believable. We're all believing it.
Believe it.
What?
Guys, hold your tongue.
We could just do it and then we exit and get it back on. I just don't want to make the same spot.
Really, y'all are really down to be like the first people to try it. I'm in row 1.
What? We're gonna be guinea pigs. We're gonna be the best. We're gonna be the joys of the ride.
I have total faith in this ride.
Exactly.
You're gonna put your mic in this right here.
The ride is gonna touch me. The ride is gonna hold me comfortable.
Really cool. You don't see that every day.
We'll be fine.
I already know I'm not getting it.
Okay, well maybe it's April Fool's Day.